we are at a old yard that we pulled a bunch of bees off of and pretty much closed it out last year to go to cotton. And we're going to go ahead and put some packages in here this year. This is a good spot here for the privet. It's an old mill. As you can see, it's got, let's see if I can, it's got residential area kind of, and then lots of overgrown area. So it's always been really good for privet. And yeah, we've had bees down here for quite a while, and they've always done really good. We're just getting ready for our packages. We're going to be getting around 100 packages here in 2 days, so we got to get busy. Well, today is Friday. It's Friday, and we're getting this truck ready to go down to Pine Mountain. It'll be going down tomorrow. We're going to get the packages today. We're going to get 100 packages, and so these are just empties loaded up for the packages. And I didn't get a video last night, but we took a bunch over to our local yard. Took 7 pallets, so 14 hives. And all this is for all the new packages. A lot of getting ready. Bob does all that work, gets it all ready for the most part. And like I say, I should have all this on video unless I completely forget. But just want to show you what it looks like. It's Friday morning about 8 a.m. And we're getting ready to go get a truck, head down to Hazelhurst. So these are packages. Okay, well, we're all loaded up. Turns out Bob's over here investigating the queens. We're gonna get 10 queens just in case something goes wrong. Here's what it looks like all the way. Not really that tall. So that's 100 packages. Okay, so here we are at our Griffin yard. And this is our home yard. This isn't actually our home, but it's fairly close to our home. We have 18 hives here that we put in yesterday. We put in the empty ones. We have a feeder in here because you want to be able to feed your bee package, because right now there's not a flow on. We're probably 3 weeks away from a flow, if not more. So we want to give them something to eat. And what we're going to do right now is we're going to go ahead and fill up these 4 hives. They're feeders. And what we have over here is we have a barrel full of syrup. Let me just move you over there. A barrel full of syrup. And then of course we have a generator. And a molasses pump, syrup, honey pump. So that one's actually a date ant pump. And then we have a hose with a gas nozzle or a diesel nozzle or whatever nozzle it is, kerosene nozzle or whatever it is, to where we can turn it on and turn it off as we get the feeders full. So right now, this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and do the feeders. Now, here's what we're going to do. We're going to take, hold on, where's your, oh, never mind, I'll let you do that part. What this has a protective part over a corn syrup can. And so what he's doing is taking that off. Then we'll pull out the can. And inside here is be the queen. There we go.
You can just put them in a pile, put them on somewhere at the end here. Pick them up later.
Okay. Every good beekeeper needs a hive tool. Okay, so what we're going to do now is we're going to pull out the can.
Pull out the queen.
Pull out the queen.
Put the board, what'd you do? Oh,
yep, need that board again. Okay. Not really, but yeah.
Yeah, I guess.
Okay. Pull out the queen. Okay. Now, while Bob's pulling out the queen, I'm going to punch a little hole in this to where it'll spray a little easier. And we're going to take those bees. Golly. Okay. We're going to take these bees and we're going to coat them with syrup.
I wouldn't put tape on his.
Ooh. And then what happens is, the bees, whenever they get all this syrup all over them, it makes them busy. Now they're busy little bees. Okay? Ready? Take all these bees, and then you just basically put them in. And all that juice kind of helps them not cling to stuff. So there you go, we got that there. Gotta put them in like this. We forgot our tops to bring them.
Guess I better zip up.
Yeah, I guess you better. I'll put it on his head. 20 likes. This is Doc and Bob for GAFLLA Bees, wanting everyone to just chill out, relax, it's not the end of the world, and be happy.